Shivaya. The environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the only thing all of us share. So, we the students of Plus One Commerce are here to share our views on nature conservation. Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generations. Conservation seeks the sustainable use of nature of humans for activities such as hunting, mining, etc., while preservation means protecting nature from human use.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Mahatma Gandhi. It is necessary to create a healthy environment to safeguard the present and future generation. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution using plastics, chemicals, etc. Earth has provided basic necessities to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, foods, etc. So we should keep nature clean and healthy. Industrial development and several other factors are also responsible for the depletion of nature. Whatever we do, it affects the globe because world is one and somehow linked together.
Soil conservation is a key concern to farmers since it is vital not only to use land productively, reaping high yield but being able to do so in the future as well. The effect of the social conservation may not reveal in the short-term perspective, yet they will be beneficial for future generations. Different method of social conservation help to mitigate erosion, keep fertility, avoid degradation, and minimize nature pollution due to the chemical by applying integrated weed and pest control techniques. Thus, soil conservation strategies greatly contribute to the sustainability of the environment and resources.
Water conservation. Earth is the only known planet in the whole universe where life is possible, and the reason is simply because there is both water and oxygen available. Water is the most important requirement of life for all living beings on Earth. No one can survive without any water. We also know that there is very little amount of clean water or potable water available in the earth, and hence we should not waste clean water but save it for future generations.
Industrial pollution. Industrial pollution is the pollution which is directly linked with the industry. This form of pollution is the leading causes of pollution worldwide. It is also the major source of land, water and air pollutions. After industrial revolution, manufacturing and technology made advances which resulted in more factories and more industry. These factories emitted smoke into the air. The effects of the smoke, along with the pollution that industries caused to water and even the land beneath and around the factories, were becoming obvious. Industrial pollution was also pointed out as a major factor in wildlife extinction and eventually even global warming. Chemical solvents used in dyeing and tanning industries, untreated gas, and the liquid waste being released into the environment, improper disposal of radioactive material are very dangerous to the society. These are some of the measures for controlling environmental pollution and degradation by the industries. First one, industries should be located with careful planning and better design. The quantity of smoke can be reduced by using oil instead of coal. Non-conventional sources of energy should be used instead of fossil fuels. Modern equipment should be used which controls, filters and separates harmful materials from the waste, like smoke states. Thus, we all must be conscious about the pollutions which are around us. Also, we must be working towards the well-being of a civilized society.
Our natural environment makes human life possible, and our cultural environment helps define who we are. It is therefore essential that our population and economic growth are environmentally sustainable. A final conclusion is that in order to achieve a more satisfactory relationship between society and its environment, timely provision should be made for the changes that human activities and competition over use of resources may bring about in order to minimize potential conflicts.